testing out this mic. I hope it works. It's blue, so it should work. Okay, so we worked on coming here to this grip. Okay, so I'm across the back and I'm grabbing the lat muscle. Either I'm hooking like this, or I'm reaching across, I'm grabbing fabric, and then it's important to hug my partner in just a little bit, right? Hug him in just a little bit. So I come across and then I hug. You see how I moved him a little closer to me? So what I'm going to do this time, super easy, super easy. I step in front with my left foot. I take this trap or this back, I pull, and I touch the foot there. Okay? Different angle for you. Again, I have the legs split a little bit. I step in front with the left. I pull this, I turn, and I touch right there. Right there. Super easy. Super easy. Now when I do this, I pull, I turn, I touch. Okay. Now, what's the foot doing? Just blocking. I'm not trying to make a big contact. I'm basically just touching. And when I do this, I'm turning my foot up like this. And I'm putting it by his Achilles tendon, which is back here. Okay? Putting this on the back of his foot. Turn. And I'm basically just propping his foot so he can't step out of it. And that's what it's going up. Okay? Again, we're here. Step in front. Right? When I turn, I pull the back, touch the foot. Pretty easy. Okay? Now, what I want you to do is I want you to learn control of your throws and your takedowns first, which means I want you to stay on your feet for it for this first part, okay? Because I want to be able to throw somebody or take them down, have balance, and then have an option of what I can do next. Now, can I trip them and take them down and go down? Yeah, but then I'm in side control and that's it. Like, that's the only thing that I can do, right? If I take him down and I stay above him, if I have an arm, I can go arm bar, I can go knee on belly, I can go side control, I can go mount, right? I can do any of that stuff, right? Grab foot, move. So I want you to go ahead and just stay up when you do this. Step, turn like this. Big pull, touch. Super simple. Super simple. Now, the thing is too, okay, like, this is a great move, but the objective of it is to get him off balance and moving. It's actually not meant to 100% of the time take him down. I want to get him doing that. Once I get him doing that, now I can go into a secondary move. He's now worried about trips and stuff, so now his mind is in different places. So, try to take him down. But if they end up just doing this, that's fine. You did your job, right? It doesn't always work. See that? You see that? I got him going. I followed him, but don't worry about that. But you notice how once I got him going, I just fit in for something else. Okay. Questions? Let's give it a shot. 1, 2.